I picked up this Apple Watch. I think it's a very nice watch, but I think the band is a little bit boring. And I'm also getting a bit tired of closing and opening this every day. So I thought, let's make my own band from underwear. For this project I used a seam ripper to remove the elastic band from the boxer shorts, and a needle and thread, or even better a sewing machine, to close the watch band later on. Then on the internet I bought those Apple Watch connectors. I will leave a link in the description box below. And we need the boxer shorts of your choice. Levi's, Calvin Klein, whatever you like. Okay, now let's remove the elastic band from the boxer shorts. I do this with a seam ripper. It can be a long and annoying process, but do it carefully so you won't make holes in your elastic band. Now I measure the band to get the right length for my arm. Be careful not to cut it too short. I attach my connectors to the watch and then I get my band through the connectors. When that's done, I measure it again. When I have the exact length I want to have it, I secure it with a needle so it will stay in place. Remove it from your wrist, but of course be careful because the needles can be sharp. With the sewing machine or needle and thread we close it here. And same for the other side. Remove the excess material and we're done. I'm happy with the result. It's a cheap way to get like any brand you like around your wrist. Or if you don't like to wear a brand, you can use designs or patterns. The possibilities are endless. I like it. It's very easy taking it on and off. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please subscribe.